Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download IntelliJ IDEA into your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply type over here IntelliJ IDEA and then you will get the IntelliJ IDEA download suggestion. If you click on that, then you will get the jailbrains.com website, and then you will get this option over here called download IntelliJ IDEA. So if you click on that, and from here you can choose different operating system. If you want to go for the Mac OS or Linux, you can do it as well, and you can select the Windows option over here, and then you can see that IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate option over here, and it's basically a paid version. If you want the free version, then if you scroll down a little bit, you will find IntelliJ Community Edition over here. So if you click on the download, and after a short time the download will be started, and it about 692 MB. For that it will take some minutes to download. For that, keep patience. And you can see that the download is completed over here. So if you click on this folder icon over here, and then you'll get this ideally this download configuration option over here. So if you click on it 2 times, there will be a permission, minimize the all files, and after getting the permission, click yes for the permission, and then you will get this downloading interface over here or installing interface over here. So if you simply click on next another time, and now select all the items over here. If you want to create a set with the Java, you can do it as well. Also, there is different option over here, but here is a catch. If you want to add the bin folder to the path, then the restart is 100% needed over here. So for that, you just need to click next right now, click install, and then you can see that the installation is beginning, and you can see that the installation is completed. And now there will be 2 options will be shows up called reboot now or I want to manually reboot later. So I'm going to click on I want to manually reboot later. So click on finish. So after that, you just need to must restart your PC before you begin with the IDLG. After completing the restart, if you just simply click on it to open, click on that, and then you can see that your IntelliJ IDEA is opened, and now you can simply create your project or open your project, whatever you want. And this is how you can simply download and install IntelliJ IDEA for your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.